Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to find all group admins on Facebook using your PC with the new update. It's a quick and easy process, so let's dive right in. First, open your Facebook account and navigate to the Groups tab. Click on the tab to view all the groups you're a part of. Next, click on Your Groups to see a list of all the groups you're currently in. Once you've found the group you're interested in, click on it to open the group page. From there, click on the Members tab to see a list of all the members in that group. This is where you'll find the admins and moderators. To specifically see all the admins and moderators of the group, click on See All under the Admins and Moderators section. Here you'll see a list of all the admins and moderators of the group, including their names and profiles. And that's it. You've successfully found all the group admins on Facebook using your PC with the new update. It's a great way to stay informed about who's managing the group and who you can reach out to for help. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you next time.